Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Hello to my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the family. And if by chance there's anyone that just perhaps has popped by my channel, give my channel a chance. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell to all. So this way you'll be notified when I upload a brand new video. Press that like button. So this way YouTube will know that you're enjoying watching my videos. And also leave a comment. I enjoy reading everyone's comments. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for your support and your love. I greatly appreciate it. More than you know, really truly means a lot to me that I have this support with my channel. Well, here we are, guys. This is where we stand with the revitalization. And each video I say, they're just going higher and higher, walls being built, staircases, and we have a new machine here today. It wasn't here yesterday. And of course, we have the mighty old crane. Let's take a closer look. I apologize for the noise. All the machines are working. You have the men and women working really hard as well. And yes, that's the new machine that has come. I'm not sure what kind of machine that is. Comment down below if you know what that machine is. I'm liking the edges there. I don't know what that may be. Maybe balconies, I'm not sure. Or if it's just part of the wall of the building. But we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're working on the roof of 4. Trying to get as much work in as they can before the long weekend. And as the weather starts to get warmer, I say to myself, oh my goodness, how are these men and women going to work in that heat? Because as you can see, it's just shining right on them. I hope they keep themselves hydrated. As you can see, as I said, a skeleton of what once was. I'll be going as close as I can and hopefully inside to make a quick video, and then I will continue along Gerrard Street because there are a few other buildings. They're boarded up, but the walls and windows are still intact. So I think they're gonna do one demolition of the buildings at a time. But I wanted just to give you guys an update, see where the revitalization stands. They're working really hard. Long weekend is approaching, so I'm sure they're gonna wanna get as much done as possible before the long weekend comes. Oh, he is very brave. I'm not sure I would be able to do that. I'm kind of scared of heights, so I don't know if that's how he gets in to use the machine. Oh yeah. I never knew that that's how they got in. Wow. You learn something new every day. Well, everyone, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you to my YouTube family for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. And yes, this is once again another update on where the revitalization stands. And as I always say, they've come a long way. And I'm looking forward to hopefully trying to get into that building and take some videos, but also do some photography if possible. Inside, if not, I'll just have to do it from the outside. But thank you to my YouTube family. I greatly appreciate your support. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the family. And if by chance you happen to pass by my channel, give my channel a chance. Hit that subscribe button. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And until next video, take care everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.